Alright, so if you guys ever want to check your cam tensioner, I just go ahead and loosen these up. Like so. And then go ahead and undo this carefully. There is a spring in there, so it will go flying if you're not holding on to it. So we'll go ahead and loosen this up. You can see the spring in there. So that's what that looks like. And then I'm going to take the tensioner off, and I'm just going to count how many clicks are left. And that'll give me an idea of timing chain wear. So carefully just remove this. Sometimes it's easier just with a socket, a ratchet. Wiggle those out. I'll definitely put some thread lock on those when we put them back in. See if we can get this one out. My hands are pretty slippery with oil, but so it is in top dead center. Get that one out of there. All right, and go ahead and carefully slide it out. All right, so let's see. That's where it's at. So we got one. So we just had one click. So definitely need a timing chain. Normally they're pretty far in there. We just had one click to go, so we will be doing a timing chain on this. When you guys go to put this back in, make sure you reset this back in. Go ahead and mount it in there, and then put your spring back in there once everything is good to go up there. So I will set this aside, kind of put it back together. And we're gonna go ahead and tear the head off, just due to the fact that I found those metal shavings, which kind of worries me. Hopefully it's nothing major. Moved. Right, I'll just set that there. Let's go ahead and get those cam caps off. Now, since I am taking this chain off, I'm just gonna let it drop. There's a center bolt in there that'll keep it from dropping. So I'm gonna take the cams out. It doesn't look like there's too much wear on these. which is kind of weird. I don't know where all that metal would be coming from, unless it's in the bottom end, so we will see. So go ahead and decompression works. So I'll go ahead and set that aside. Go ahead and get this other one off. And then don't forget to take these little dowels out, because those need to go back. So we'll just stick that one back under there. That way it doesn't get lost. And that one is on there already still, so we're good. Go ahead and set this stuff aside. All right, we will check the valve clearance when we're all done. In all honesty, I probably should have done it beforehand, but we'll get everything situated and then we'll check it. Let me get these 4 bolts out of there. I do believe those are a 12. The R12, and I do believe that this is what this socket is for, because I needed a breaker bar, which is over there. I usually just do them a little bit at a time. Ugh. Just kind of break them loose. Jesus, they are on there. All right, let's get this clutch basket off. Find that other keeper before I lose that. Alrighty, moment of truth. I'm scared to look down there. The rings aren't stuck. Side to side, no up and down. Take a gander down there and make sure there's no metal or nothing. I don't see any metal down there. Looks pretty clean. There is some side to side, but no up and down. It's pretty tight. Piston doesn't look that bad. The rings don't look that bad. They're not stuck or anything. You know, the cylinder looks pretty decent. You know, I still see some like cross hatches in there, but I don't see anything out of the ordinary. You know, there's no grooves in it, scrapes, gouges, nothing like that. What do we got there? What is that? Part of the gasket? All right, let's see what's going on with this thing. Let's see what we got going on down here. I saw this. I don't know what that is. It's a sealer. I mean, it doesn't look like it could have been leaking here. So that gasket looks all right. Let's wipe out this cylinder, this jug, and we'll see what this looks like. Yeah, I mean, I still see cross hatches in there, so I don't know. You know, I see some scuffing right there, but there's no grooves or anything. So I will set this aside. And I think what I'm gonna do is hone this out. Set that aside, put that on the rag. All right, let's check out this head here. Try to make it so it falls out on me. All right, let's go over here. So everything looks like it's good in here. Don't see anything out of the ordinary on this. Everything looks good. Cam journals look clean. Not much wear there. Let's go ahead and try to hold these pucks in there so we don't lose those. Definitely some buildup. Probably clean all this off and losing the pucks here. Wish there was a way to keep these in there without having to hold them all. But you can see I got 4 fingers on there. Let's go ahead and pull this gasket off carefully. Turn this back over. Sit that down. Let's take a look at this gasket. I don't know. This is the top. This is the bottom. I don't know. It's hard to tell because when I peel it off, this stuff comes off too. But I don't know why. And you can see there, but I think that's just, that's definitely a coolant port because it's all crusty. So, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and button this up. We got some gaskets coming, and then we'll put this thing back together. All right, let's get the rest of this timing chain off. I do believe I do have that out somewhere. Up here. Yep. Go ahead and pop this chain off. This looks like an original one. So we'll go ahead and measure that when we get the new one. Set that aside. And we'll probably get some new guides too. I don't know, it's very odd that there's all that metal in there. I don't know where it came from, but I need to get this thing at top dead center again. All right, so this is gonna conclude this video. We're just gonna go ahead and button it up. I got a rag covering the, so nothing falls down in there, but you got it all torn down. And we'll get the gasket set, get it back together. And I am definitely gonna check the valves with some water, just pour it on there, see if we got any leakage. I clean those up, clean the top of the piston up.